Welcome to this exciting video walkthrough where we'll explore the incredible capabilities of Picnie, a powerful tool that enables you to effortlessly create stunning carousel posts for Instagram in just a few minutes. With Picnie, your Instagram game will reach new heights, captivating your audience like never before. Let's dive right in. As you can see, even Picnie's own Instagram page features images generated using Picnie itself, including carousel posts. Today, we'll learn how to create these impressive carousel posts using the Picnie platform. First, log into the Picnie dashboard using your email and password or via the Google login option. Create a new project or select an existing one. Once you're in, navigate to the image generation tool, which is your gateway to carousel post creation. You'll find a wide range of visually appealing templates to choose from. Feel free to select any template that resonates with your brand or aesthetic. For this demonstration, I'll be using the same template. Once you've selected your desired template, head over to the image generation tool. Here, you have two options. You can generate a single image using the no-code tool, or you can opt for bulk image generation using a CSV file. Let's focus on the latter option, which is perfect for creating multiple carousel posts effortlessly. Within the bulk image generation tab, you'll find three straightforward steps to follow. In the first step, download the provided sample file. This CSV file already includes the necessary columns tailored to the template you've selected. It serves as a handy guide for structuring your own data. Next, open the downloaded CSV file using software such as Excel or Google Sheets. Here, you can input your content for each image, ensuring you have data for the entire carousel. Customize the title, description, and other relevant details according to your preferences. Once you're done, save the file with your updated data. In the third step, upload your modified CSV file to Picnie. Then, simply click the Generate Images button to kickstart the process. Picnie will work its magic, generating all the carousel post images based on the data you've provided. Once the image generation is complete, you can download the resulting CSV file. This file contains all the URLs for the generated images, which you can use to automate your posting process and seamlessly share your carousel posts on Instagram and beyond. To take your Instagram game to the next level, consider using the powerful scheduling tool socialchamp.io. With socialchamp.io, you can effortlessly schedule all your posts in advance, ensuring a consistent presence on Instagram. Here's how Picnie utilizes this tool to effortlessly schedule their own posts. As you can see, Picnie utilizes the scheduling capabilities of socialchamp.io to streamline their posting process, saving time and effort. Thank you for watching this video walkthrough on using Picnie to generate carousel posts for Instagram using a CSV file. For more information and to start creating stunning visuals with Picnie, visit our website at picnie.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials and insights. Happy creating with Picnie!